Hi guys, welcome to How to Soar YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set duration of pictures on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on post icon in the bottom and click on effects. And here you need to select the green screen effect. And here you can select any photo from your gallery. So I'm going to select a random one. Okay, and then you need to click on record button. So here you can see that I recorded a video or I recorded a picture for 5 seconds. So by following these steps you can easily set duration of pictures on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.